if that alarm clock should be going off at 6. And as you know, Michael does not wake up very well. It's your alarm clock, buddy. Go beat him on the head. And rise and shine. Wait, whoa, whoa, whoa. That's not how it works. Hey. That's not how it works. How am I supposed to let you wake up by yourself if that's what you're going to do? You ready to go to the couch? No? Ready to go to school, have an awesome day? Tell all your friends about Legoland and how rad it was? Huh? You know, maybe. Come on, get out of bed. Oh. Good job.